Wala raw hatak ang magiging basbas ni PBBM sa tatakbong kapalit niya sa 2028. Alamin kung bakit sa agenda report ni Attorney Karen Jimeno.
Walang maitutulong ang endorsement ni PBBM sa isang presidential candidate sa ngayon, ayon kay Pulse Asia President Ronnie Holmes. Paliwanag niya sa At the Forefront ng Billionaire News Channel, mababa ang approval at trust ratings ng Pangulo.
Unfortunately, at this point in time, we see that President Bongbong Marcos has a level of approval that is less than majority. This approval is higher than approval, and this trust is higher than trust. So in that case, it would not in any way have a positive effect unless these figures would change. So
Ayon sa latest Pulse Asia survey, si Vice President Sara Duterte pa rin ang most preferred presidential candidate. Pero malapit na siyang mapantayan ni Naga City Mayor Leni Robredo. Pero bakit matunog pa rin ang pangalan ni Mayor Leni kahit sinabi na niyang wala siyang balak tumakbo bilang Pangulo sa 2028?
there would be definitely a segment of the population that will be yearning for someone who has been known to be incorruptible in the face of the grave public scandal, the flood control projects. And in this case, they might actually look at an alternative candidate in the person of former Vice President Leni Robredo.
Sa napipintong impeachment trial ni VP Sara, sinabi ni Holmes na makakaapekto lang ito sa survey number ng bise kung matindi ang mga ebidensya na ilalabas ng prosecution. Para sa agenda, Attorney Karen Jimeno, Billionaire News Channel.